may kaibigan din eh. Laging binibigyan ko ng tinapay. Ngayon, hindi ko napapansin, tawag na pala siya ng tawag sa akin. Eksakto naman, may dala akong tinapay. At nakalaan nga ari sa kanya kung makikita ko. Ito oh. Ito siya oh. My friend.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
How are you?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
How's your
October 20
health?
jayega, sir. Vacation for my Latvian company. October next month, 20 jayega.
October?
October 20.
Oh, okay.
20.
Your flight.
Jayega.
But you told me last week is December.
No. I am body condition good to coming. No good to come.
Oh, okay. Okay, better for you.
Okay, sir. Now, fine.
No pain.
Other week, another.
But better you will go exit
Exit.
or for a medical
I am son 1 year.
treatment only.
I am son college total 4 years. Now 3 years college. Back 1 year finish.
But now how old are you? He is crying.
After working. I am son after working 1 year college back money but India can live skill college fees.
Oh, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. No problem, sir.
Okay, it's no problem, pare.
Card.
But which date you will go?
October 20.
October 20. Oh, okay, next month. Better for the medical treatment.
Operation good to coming. 2 months after. October 20. November 20, December 20 coming.
Okay.
No good.
Okay, just pray. Just pray. Okay, my friend.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.